In this evening's business review, the story of Beauty Fetish by Tan.
As a cosmetologist, CEO of Beauty Fetish, Tanisha Barrett knows all too well about transformations. The Manchester native was once a farmer, but she always had a passion for hairstyling. Her life would change forever when she participated in a Heart NSTA Trust hairstyling competition.
I came second in the entire Jamaica, and after the competition now, one of the gentlemen said to me, when I have my salon in Kingston, I wanted to be a part of the team, but he was from overseas.
That's when Tanisha said goodbye to life as she knew it in rural Jamaica for the capital. But the hair and beauty business, although lucrative, is extremely competitive, as she would learn when her entrepreneurial journey began. She moved from being employed as a stylist to renting a chair in an established salon in 2011.
You understand, there's not a day that I came to work and I didn't have stuff to do. Not a day. And from them time, the ambition kind of big, where I normally spend a lot of money on products. The brand is Nairobi, and Nairobi is a top tier type of products now. And from long time, I use them kind of things. And I just used to invest in myself, and the customer used to just love the one-on-one. As a matter of fact, they really used to enjoy the one-on-one because I used to put my everything in it.
After 4 years, she rented her own space in 2016, and now she is the owner of a salon, once a church transformed into a beauty retreat. She received financing to purchase the shop for about $17 million. Renovations also cost over $3 million. Her expenses also include purchasing products monthly, which runs her close to $200,000. There are 3 full-time members of staff.
As a matter of fact, the upkeep for this salon is roughly close to $1 million per month.
As for what she's best known for,
I'd say cutting, because if you go somewhere and you mention fetish, they must say, oh, the girl at the short hair. And one of my biggest passion now is tapings, and I'm loving the good old days sewings. Recently I start feel a deep passion for those type of things.
The Beauty Fetish CEO says her biggest challenge in business is not finances, but
I literally not finding the balance to have a personal life outside of business. And the thing is, most persons are talking about these things, and it is a big and a major challenge. And that is the reason why, especially Christmas season, I don't pressure my staff to do the extra if they don't have to. Because then I realize you're starting to miss family time. You're not having the time to do what you really want to do. About a simple Christmas dinner, simple grand market when people go out with them kids and walk and do shopping.
Until she perfects that, she's on a mission to spread her wings all over the world. For the Business Review, I'm Carrie Ann Simpson.